answer this one. Solve 8 times the quantity of x plus 7. Quantity equals negative 72. Okay, so ang gagawin natin dito, we have to apply distributive property. Okay, so i-distribute natin ito or i-multiply natin si 8 times x, so that is 8x. Then 8 at saka si positive 7, so that is positive 56. Okay, then kopyahin natin itong equals negative 72. Okay, ngayon, i-combine like terms natin. So, i-transpose natin yung positive 56 to the right. So, itong 8x, kopyahin natin yan. So, equals negative 72, kopyahin din natin yan. Then, ito si positive 56, magiging negative 56. Okay, so, kopyahin natin si 8x equals, i-add natin ito. Since the same sign sila, so we have to copy their common sign, which is negative. Then, i-add natin. So, 2 plus 6 is 8. 7 plus 5 is 12 or negative 128. Then, i-combine natin or i-divide natin both sides by the coefficient of x. Okay? So, kopyahin muna natin si 8x at saka si negative 128. Divide natin both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 8. So, i-divide natin sila both sides by 8. Then, cancel natin yan. So, yung value ng x, dito na ako para makita. So, i-divide natin negative 128 divide by 16, divide by 8 is negative 16. Okay? So, sa choices natin, letter B is the correct answer.